the darkest of nights, when I'm feeling low, you're right by my side, and it starts to show. With a wag of your tail and those big brown eyes, you chase away the clouds, bring blue to my skies. You're my best friend, my loyal guide. In every storm, you're by my side. When I'm feeling down, you're my light. You bring me joy, make everything right. Through the highs and lows, you never stray. In your own special way, brighten my day. Your love is pure, your heart's so true.